Aloha! With condo ownership comes certain rights as well as certain responsibilities. What are these? This is a quick summary. As an owner, you have the right to a competent and responsive association that spends prudently, budgets properly, and maintains adequate reserve funding. A board that meets its fiduciary responsibility toward the association, and honest and respectful treatment by your association and managing agent. That includes fair and consistent application of your association's rules and bylaws. You are entitled to a well-maintained community, participation in your association, and having your voice heard in governance decisions. You also have access to documents and records and should receive up-to-date information regarding your association and notices about elections, fines, maintenance fee increases, special assessments, borrowing, bylaw changes, and special meetings. If issues or disputes come up, you have a right to access a fair and open appeals process, mediation, and arbitration. If you fall behind or default on payments, you have the opportunity to cure your default or submit a reasonable plan to bring your account up to date. Now, along with your rights, you also have responsibilities. These include understanding and complying with the declaration, bylaws, and house rules. But it's not just you. You're also responsible for making sure that your tenants, relatives, guests, and household members, yes, that includes pets, follow your condo's rules. What else? Well, you should pay your maintenance fees and any fines on time. And you also must maintain your unit and limited common elements. This could include your parking space, doors, balconies, and lanai. But check your condo documents to be sure. As an owner, you should stay informed, vote on important issues, and respond to association requests. Keep your contact information up to date so your association can reach you when necessary. Treat board members, resident managers, property managers, and other unit owners with respect. A little bit of aloha goes a long way. And if disputes occur, you should act in good faith in any appeals process or mediation session. As a condo owner, you're responsible for paying your association fees on time. These shared expenses maintain the common areas and amenities. It's important to know what fees are assessed and when payments are due. Pay attention to any fee increases. Be sure to monitor your fees and charges, especially if you're paying by automatic payment. Keep track of your monthly fees so you don't get caught by surprise and incur late charges. And be sure to know what happens if you pay late. If you fall behind on payments, the board can take measures ranging from assessing late fees to bringing foreclosure actions to recover overdue payments from owners. You should also understand how payments are applied. This may be significant if you have a late fee. It's important to keep in mind that you're required to pay any fees or charges due to your association, even if you don't agree with them or if you don't use a particular amenity like the elevator or pool. Hawaii law has a pay first, challenge later provision for association fees. This means you must pay first before initiating any dispute resolution options. The real estate branch encourages owners and boards to work together to resolve disagreements about fees or late charges. Contact your condo's managing agent or board early to discuss the issue, calmly and civilly. If you're unable to resolve an issue, mediation is available through Hawaii's Real Estate Commission. And if you're thinking about litigation, consider it your last resort, since it tends to be much more expensive, time-consuming, and contentious. To learn more about your rights and responsibilities as a condo owner, visit our website and check out the other videos in our series on condominiums. Mahalo!